Namaste student, myself Jevin Anshika Kushwaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Basic of Bioscience Lab and today's session is to study mitosis in onion root tip. We have two objectives, squash preparation and observation of chromosomes. So here we start. Our aim is to study mitosis in onion root tip. So principle of onion root tip mitosis is a process by which a parent cell divides into two or more daughter cells is called as cell division. Cell division is a small part of the cell cycle. In normal eukaryote cell, the type of cell division is known as mitosis. Another type of cell division is present in reproductive cells of eukaryotes and is known as meiosis. Cell cycle is mainly classified into two segments, M phase and interphase. Interphase is the longer period of cell division. During this phase, the cell prepares for its next stage. This is a period of diverse activities, and these activities are prerequisite for the next mitotic phase. Interphase is mainly divided into three phases: G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. S phase is the period of replication. G1 and G2 phase are two gap phases during which all the cell grows, producing proteins and preparing the cells. These phases have also certain checkpoints and the whole cell cycle is strictly regulated. M phase of the cell cycle stands for mitosis or nuclear division. In eukaryote, DNA replication is followed by a process called mitosis, which separates the chromosome in its cell nucleus into two identical sets. In two individual nuclei, mitosis is followed by cytokinesis. The process of mitosis is divided into four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So in this practicals, materials are required are onion plant with root, Fulgen stain, 1 NHCl, Caesar, forceps, razor blade, Pasteur pipette, 1.5 ml microfuge tube, dissection probe with wooden hack back, microscopic slide with cover slip, water bath, light microscope. So the procedure is take onion plant with newly sprouted root, cut the root into using Caesar, then fill 2 by 3 of the tube by 1 NaCl using dropper. Place the tube in 60 °C water bath and incubate for 12 to 15 minutes. Remove the tube from the water bath. Discard the HCl from tube. Then after that, rinse the root tip with distilled water. After this, all this procedure after incubation, then we do incubation for removal of stain using Pasteur pipette. After that, take a razor blade and cut most of the unstayed part of the root. Then after all this procedure, we observe it under microscope in 10x objective. Scan and narrow down to a region containing dividing cell and switch to 40x for a better view. So this is how our cell is get to visualize. And this is the procedure of for studying the mitosis in onion root tip. If you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. Thank you.